Hi everyone, in this video I will explain about what is constructor chaining and I will show you with example. Let me tell you some definition before jumping to the example. What is constructor chaining? Constructor chaining is the process of calling one constructor from another constructor using this for same class or super keyword you for parent class. Let me show you the example. Here I created a one class employee. It has five fields: title, first name, last name, age and address. Here I created two constructors. One is having first name and age and one more having first name, last name and age. Here if you observe, here I am doing same thing two times. Here if you see, age also I am setting here and here also I am doing, and first name here also first name. To avoid this, here you can remove this code to set values to these variables. Instead, if you use this and if you pass this first name and yes, this call will this will call this constructor, and it will assign this constructor will assign those values to these fields. And this call should be always the first line. This you cannot do like this. It is throwing an error. Call to this must be statement first statement in constructor body, that you should remember. This is for calling one constructor from another constructor within the same class. Now I'm going to create one more class, that is like one corp employee class I'm going to create, and that is going to extend the employee class. Create constructor. Okay, let me create one no argument constructor. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, now let me create one field corp office name. Okay. Now here I'm going to create one constructor. We have to use public and class name, constructor name, and first name, and age I will give. First name, int, age, and corp office name. Okay. Now here from here also I can call this employee class, mean parent class constructor. I'm going to call this two parameterized constructor. Let me show you. Super, and you just pass this first name and age. If you call two parameterized constructor, this will call happen to this constructor. In case if you call three parameter constructor here, from here it will call this three parameterized constructor. If you want to call this empty, like no parameterized constructor, you can call with empty also. This is how you can call parent class constructor, and here you can set this corp name. This is called constructor chaining. And here you, if you create object for this corp employee, you can do like this. Let me show you. and first name, what and all I given, let me see. First name, age, corp office, is and corp office. When if you are doing like this, the when the object is creating, by the time it will call this constructor, and this values going to assign to this employee class fields, and this office name set to this class name. That's all. Thanks for watching this video.